I recently had an opportunity to stay at the Hyatt Centric Hotel in Mountain View, California. The stay was in early summer of 2020, so I honestly didn't know what to expect when checking in. I was just grateful to find a luxury hotel that was open in the area, as quite a few hotels, especially the 4- and 5-star properties, were closed. The hotel was exceptionally luxurious, with all the amenities that one would expect or need during their vacation, or lockdown in my case. Besides being close to several restaurants, supermarkets, and other local attractions, the hotel does justice to the city's namesake and provides a beautiful mountain view for you to enjoy. The property normally has a full-service restaurant, a swimming pool, and a gym. However, most of these were not available during my stay to experience. Although the pool was closed for swimming, I was able to access the pool area and take some photos. They normally have a little pool bar here, but as you can see, that's also been closed. I used the Globalist Upgrade Certificate. For those of you not familiar with the World of Hyatt loyalty program, these are upgrades that guarantee a standard suite. I was even more pleasantly surprised that the hotel upgraded me even further to a VIP suite. If I have to begin somewhere, it has to be with the full walled glass windows. As soon as I entered the room, the mountain's spectacular view from the large windows had my heart. In alignment with the windows is the L-shaped, cozy full sleeper sofa. Or if you need to get some work done, I don't know why though, there's a separate desk and a chair there for you. With 2 balconies, one off the living room and one off the bedroom, you could enjoy the warm California sun, perfect for long days working from the room. And with 2 balconies, one just off the living room that overlooks the dog park, some shops and restaurants, and right adjacent to the Facebook offices, and one just off the bedroom that overlooks the front of the hotel. Being a VIP suite, of course it had a dining table as well. It was very large, a 4-seater dining table, and it was nice to have extra space to lay out my work and, of course, eat my meal. One thing I must point out is the lighting. The natural lighting from the windows was undoubtedly lovely. But in addition to that, the room had perfect lighting, too. It wasn't the typical hotel lighting. It was like top-of-the-line luxury home style. The bedroom was perfect. Let me first start by saying the bed was amazingly comfortable. TV in front of my bed and a door to my balcony right off to my left. Some robes were hanging in the closet, but also plenty of room in the closet for my personal belongings. The bathroom was perfect, with a deep soaking bathtub, and marble tile just gave it that perfect hotel vibe. One thing I love is the plush hotel towels, and they made sure to keep the suite stocked. All in all, I had a great experience at the hotel. The staff were very professional and courteous, despite the extremely challenging situation that they were all dealing with. The hotel is definitely worth a stay. Perfect for any Bay Area professionals looking for a 5-star retreat in the South Bay. We recommend it.